A couple of months ago I was working in Tanzania and the farmers reported something very interesting. At the start of the season, when they pulled a water sample out of their wetting front detector, it was purple. After a few weeks it had turned white again. And this means that they've washed the nutrients out of the soil. Now, most of the time, their chameleon was reading blue, 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 meaning the soil was wet. So it's likely that there was a lot of leaching. The farmers then said to me that if they used manure, the purple colour or perhaps a pinky colour stayed longer, but if they used fertiliser, then the nutrients seemed to disappear quickly, and they wanted to know why that happened. So this is how I explained it. Let's consider this is fertiliser. Sugar I know, and we'll put some in the water. Let's assume this is the soil water, and stir it up. Now, fertiliser is soluble, so it dissolves in the water. Manure or organic fertiliser isn't really soluble. It's slightly soluble. So if I was to take a sip out of this, yep, that's very sweet, as you would expect. If I was to take a sip out of this one, well, that's a little bit sweet. Now let's consider that the farmers had over-irrigated, that they'd washed a lot of water through the soil. So the water's been washed through, and we're going to irrigate again. Now, if I was to stir these up again and take a sip, okay, well that just tastes like pure water. And this one, well, I can taste just a little bit of the sugar. So the nitrate strip here would have gone white, but here it would show that there's still some nutrient in the soil water that's available for the plants to get.